Hi, my name is Ray. We're at the Arts Cameras Plus location in Waukesha. Tonight we'll be talking about sports photography, action photography, indoors and outdoors. Photographing fast action and sports. This may be one of the most difficult things to photograph, especially when it comes to shooting indoor sports. I'm using the Canon 7D Mark II. Remarkable camera. I went from a film camera shooting 5 frames per second to this Canon doing 10 frames per second. I'm using a Tamron 70-200 on this demo. Any 70-200 lens, autofocus f2.8 is going to get you the photos that you want, especially night games or indoor games. An f2.8 lens has a much larger rear element which allows more light into your camera sensor. The more light that comes in, the faster the shutter speed you can have. The faster the shutter speed you have, the more you're going to stop that action. Other options for the long lenses would be the Tamron 150-600, the Sigma 150-600, the Canon 100-400, the Nikon 200-500. All would be great choices for outdoor sports. Arts Photo Academy does offer a sports photography class, January 23rd, which I will be teaching, 6 p.m. Be there. Thank you everyone for joining us. I know that these tips will help you get better photos. I'm Ray. This is Arts Tips in a Minute. Where's my Perrier?